Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dropbox security passcode and account protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate a security passcode for your Dropbox account, begin by logging into your Dropbox account on the website or the app. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. If you're using the app, tap on the gear icon to access settings. Next, look for the Security tab in the Settings menu. In the Security section, find the option for Two-Step Verification. Click on Enable or Turn on. You will be prompted to enter your password for security verification. After entering your password, choose the method by which you want to receive your verification codes. You can opt for either a text message or an authentication app. If you choose text messages, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for a text message and input the verification code you received. If you select the authentication app, follow the instructions to scan the QR code. After successfully linking the app, enter the code displayed in the app in the provided field. Once your code is verified, two-step verification will be activated. You should also see an option to set a security passcode. Type in your preferred passcode, ensuring it's memorable yet secure. Confirm the passcode by entering it again in the required field. After confirming, save your changes to finalize the setup. Review all settings to ensure your account is adequately protected. With these steps completed, your Dropbox account now has added security with a passcode and two-step verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.